the eraser tool. Its shortcut is X, so it can be used to erase just as the name goes. So it's under the crop tool, the last category of crop tool, so the last X is the shortcut. So you click on it, so page down. So this is what it can be used for: remove unwanted areas in a drawing or an object or image. So before, this height is, and this height is after. So go down, page down. So let's work on this image. So what we'll do first is to click on it, select more information on the hints or the length. So to make it faster, so you can click on the, so under here, the properties bar, we have shape, we have round nib. Choose a round nib for the active tool. So choose a square nib so we can see it. So let's apply the round height. Let's apply the round. So click on it and drag. So if you want to increase the size, you hold down shift. Can you see that the thing is increasing? It has increased. So hold down. So this height is. So can you see it? And just click. So you click on it. And if you want to reduce the size, you can come here and reduce down. You can shift it. If you have reduced it, you shift it. You see how it is. So you see it. So and you can use manually. If you don't know the value, you can just insert it. So you can see it. So this is how it is. You can click and drag. So along. So you want to clean the name. So let's always what you want. So this is how it is. That is how it works. And you can zoom down to check. So I think it's okay like this. You can zoom down if you wish, but that is how it works. You are welcome.